Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through how to get CapCut Pro for free. How to get CapCut Pro for free. You know, CapCut has changed most of their features to Pro. Pro means that's paid version or paid one. So this video I'll guide you through how to get the paid version for free. So here, when insert or when import your video on the CapCut, this is the features, whether effect or whatever, everything that is pro. I'll guide you to get it free. So here you download the one you want to use, that's pro version. So here I will use this one. See, there's a subscribe button here, subscribe button, and it is pro means paid. So I'll insert it. After I have inserted it on my video, I'll position it well and move it. Yes, and move this pro version, that's paid version. So after that, the one I want to use again, I'll just move to that one. Assuming I want to use this one, this arrow, I'll just click on it to insert. After insert, I'll position it the way I want it. I will position it the way I want to position in the gutter. So you position the pro version that you want, how you want it. So this is for tutorial version or tutorial. So I'll push it anywhere. So you click, good. So upon all this, you choose the one you want again, the pro version that you want, or I will use this one, or I will use this one here too. I'll position it the way I want it. Good. So after you have finished using the pro version or the pro features that you want, to get it free, this is how it is. You see, to get it free, you start from the bottom. You see there's arrow here, you click on the arrow, the video will zoom out or the video will become big. When it can become big like this, you have to get laptop or PC recorder. There should be a recorder on your PC. So when you insert all the free version, you then start recording. So after I've done everything, I'll just recording. So I'm just recording the pro version that I've used. So when you put all the pro version, you record. So you use screen recorder to record on your PC. Good. You see this is the feature, the pro version features. Yes, another one. So after you have used all the features that you want, you make it big like this, and you use screen recorder to record. You use screen recorder to record. Use screen recorder to record. So this is how to get CapCut Pro for free. Can you subscribe to my channel for more content? Bye bye.